Grit to Gold Engine transforms persistence into profitable success. Grit to Gold Engine is a powerful all-in-one digital ebook system designed to help creators, entrepreneurs, and everyday individuals build automated income streams with clarity and confidence. Created by Mindset Reboot Coach Maximus Grit, this comprehensive digital package combines mindset mastery, wealth psychology, and step-by-step automation strategies into one easy-to-download resource. Unlike traditional business programs that focus only on tactics, Grit to Gold Engine integrates personal growth with practical execution. Inside, you'll discover how to build automated income systems using AI and no-code tools, turn your passion into predictable profit, and master influence to grow a loyal audience. The program also emphasizes the wealth-health connection, helping you align habits, focus, and financial goals for sustainable success. Delivered instantly via secure download, this beginner-friendly system provides ready-to-use templates and actionable blueprints, so you can transform your grit into real, measurable income, even if you are starting from scratch. Why this Grit to Gold Engine? At Maximus Grit Institute, we believe success is not reserved for the privileged. It's built by those who combine resilience with the right systems. Founded by Maximus Grit, a renowned Mindset Reboot coach who has trained over 150 Sero students in the last 7 years. Our mission is simple: turn everyday grit into real automated wealth. The Grit to Gold Engine was created for creators, entrepreneurs, and ordinary individuals who are tired of working hard without seeing financial results. We exist to bridge the gap between effort and income, between hustle and automation. Can Grit to Gold Engine help international users? Yes. Grit to Gold Engine is designed to work globally. The principles of automation, digital product creation, and mindset development apply regardless of geographic location. Since the program focuses on online systems powered by AI and no-code tools, users from any country can implement the strategies as long as they have internet access. The creator's code emphasizes that opportunity is not limited by location, but shaped by mindset and action. International users can create digital products, serve global audiences, and build automated income streams without physical inventory or local restrictions. Because the program is delivered digitally, there are no shipping limitations or delays. The universal focus on grit, automation, and scalable systems makes it adaptable for creators and entrepreneurs worldwide seeking financial independence. Key benefits of Grit to Gold Engine: builds automated income systems that run 24/7, combines mindset mastery with practical execution, uses AI and no-code tools for simplicity, helps turn passion into predictable profit, provides ready-to-use funnels and templates, eliminates technology overwhelm for beginners, strengthens focus, clarity, and resilience, teaches ethical influence and persuasion strategies, aligns wealth creation with mental well-being, designed for global creators and entrepreneurs, delivered instantly via secure digital download, creates scalable, long-term digital assets. For more details, visit our website given in the description and know the power of Grit to Gold Engine. Thank you.